In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter full screen in Krita using a few super simple methods. Whether you want a distraction-free drawing space, want to hide the side panels, or need to maximize your workspace, this quick guide will help you do it in seconds. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The fastest way to enter full screen in Krita is by using your keyboard. If you want to hide all the sidebars, dockers, and tool panels so you can focus only on your canvas, just press Tab on your keyboard. This toggles canvas only full screen mode. When you turn it on, Krita hides everything around the artwork area, giving you a clean, distraction-free view. This is especially useful when you're painting, sketching, or zooming in on the detailed work and need more room to focus. If you press Tab again, Krita will bring all of those panels right back. So remember, Tab is your quick toggle for canvas only mode. It's one of the most useful shortcuts in Krita, and once you get used to it, you'll probably use it all the time. Now, if you want a different kind of full screen mode, you can use a second shortcut. Press Ctrl Shift and F on your keyboard. This toggles window full screen mode. Unlike canvas only mode, this one hides your operating system's desktop taskbar and makes the whole Krita window fill your screen more completely. This is great when you want maximum screen space without leaving the app itself. Again, pressing Ctrl Shift and F a second time will exit full screen and return Krita to normal window mode. So if you ever get stuck, just use the same shortcut again to switch it off. If you prefer using menus instead of keyboard shortcuts, Krita also makes that easy. Go to the top menu bar and click View. From the drop-down menu, look for full screen or canvas only, depending on the version you're using. Click the option you want to activate it. This is a very beginner-friendly method if you're still learning the program or you simply like to use the interface instead of shortcuts. Once full screen is enabled, you can enjoy a much cleaner workspace and focus entirely on your creative process. This is one of the best ways to reduce clutter and make Krita feel more comfortable while you work. So just to recap, press Tab for canvas only full screen, press Ctrl, Shift, and F for window full screen, or go to View and choose full screen from the menu. Those are the 3 easiest ways to enter full screen in Krita. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick Krita tutorials and software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.